So thanks, Eric, for the t-shirt you sent me. I know you're from Eastern Canada and the other stuff about my Mercedes and that. Cool. We haven't had too many days yet in Canada where we could wear a short sleeve shirt, but today on the 21st of May, it's the nicest day so far of 2009. So I'm wearing it. Let's do it. For you guys in Ottawa that donated the car, she's fine. And she runs better too. You guys forgot to reconnect the oxygen sensor when we took off the manifold and flipped it upside down. Now she's perfect. Little red line for a good time. She revs quicker, it's got more stronger power. At least it sounds like it anyways. And I fixed your clutch adjustment. Now it grips in the normal position. Good as new. It's hard to believe after all the abuse this car's been through. Still drives perfect. Feels like new. You can never tell it's been jumped. Perfect. Baby. What should it say underneath that thing? Every time we lift it up, it should say something to the guy who's driving in front of us so he looks in the rearview mirror. Like, screw you, or F you. This is a nice car. Too bad it has to die out here.